Nobody here likes goat cheese, so please cross that off your list. Nobody here likes canned sardines, black jelly beans, blood sausage, or processed fish. I think you have us confused with some unfortunate Canadian kids. So when you come back here this Christmas Eve, you can pick up some of last year's gifts. Our new slinkies, we had hours of fun with those. But my little brother Jimmy really gave us a scare when he got one round around his toes. The neighbor's dog chewed our frisbee, and all the marbles we got are gone. Nobody here likes goat cheese, so you'll find that out on the lawn. Sound ungrateful for all the wonderful gifts you bring. Nobody here likes goat cheese, so please don't be tempted to bring that again. Please don't be tempted to bring that again. We're all excited for Christmas, but I really think we must persist. Nobody here likes goat cheese, so please cross that off